Hmm? Baby boys. Cat. Nalang. Uy, nalagi ko sa alien. Yan. Ayaw kasi niyang problem is, I don't know how to rotate this. Yan, baka pwede na yan. Rotate device. Ayaw naman mag-rotate. Look. Ang laki ng lang. Nakashock naman. Ayaw mag-rotate device. Ayan naman. Ayaw mag-rotate. Thank you, Ma'am Carm Jimenez, sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Boss Richard, thank you. Nawala ko kanina. Nag-lag kasi yung laptop ko, tapos nag-hang at nag-freeze. Ma'am Carm Jimenez, sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Boss Richard, thank you. Nawala ko kanina. Nag-lag kasi yung laptop ko, tapos nag-hang at nag-freeze. Wala. Sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Boss Richard, thank you. Nawala ko kanina. Nag-lag kasi yung laptop ko, tapos nag-hang at nag-freeze. Wala. Yung laptop ko, tapos nag-hang at nag-freeze. Yung laptop ko, tapos nag-hang at nag-freeze. Yung Yan, disable ko muna yung ano ko. Na-pick up pala ng laptop ko yung sounds. Thank you sa 1 million viewer natin dyan. Share ko muna to. Yan, share ko muna. Sana ririnig ninyo ako kasi di ko alam paano to gawin pag ano. Pag sa cellphone. So, ano ba to? Hindi ko alam eh. Click natin sa yan, may pa-bubbles lang. Hindi ko alam. Yan. Okay. Diyan lang yung bubbles na yan. Yan. Pa-bubbles muna tayo dyan ka dyan. Okay. Share ko muna ulit. Thank you, Boss Richard. So, 1 million viewers natin dyan. Salamat. So, yan. Sana naririnig ninyo ako. At hindi siya nag-e-echo. Kanina kasi hindi ko napansin, naka-on pala yung mic ng laptop ko, kaya siya nag-e-echo. Kanina kasi hindi ko napansin, naka-on pala yung mic ng laptop ko, kaya siya nag-e-echo. Share ko ulit guys. Oops. Hindi ko alam paano to gawin, guys. It's so hirap. It's so hirap kasi yan. So, dyan ka muna. Nag-share muna ako, guys, sa mga friendship ko. Naputol kasi kanina. So, sinisend ko ulit sa mga kilala ko. Kasi naputol. Ayan. Sana may mga pumasok ulit. Thank you sa mga nag-support sa akin. Thank you so much sa patamsak, Ma'am Carms, at saka Boss Richard. Ma'am Carms, kumusta na po kayo? Thank you so much sa lahat ng andito ngayon sa bahay ko. Sa live stream ko. Oh no. May upok na naglupad-lupad. Yung iba, guys, sasabihin talaga nila hindi sila takot doon. Pero ako takot ako. Takot ako sa flying cockroach. Salamat sa 1 million viewers. Wait, post na tayo, guys. So, it's maulan na gabi at malamig. So, anong masasabi nyo, guys? Napabubbles ako dyan. Bakit kaya sa laptop lang ganito, walang pa-bubbles? At saka, wala siyang yan. Wait. Baka live chat, all chats are visible yan. Yan. Na-share ko na siya, guys. Sana may mga pumasok at bumisita. Kasi kanina ang nangyari ay nawala ako. Kasi nag-freeze ang laptop ko. Kaya yun. So, ewan ko ba, pag nag-live ako sa laptop, yun ang napapansin ko, laging loading. Hindi ko alam, baka sa processor ng laptop ko. Tapos ano, ganyan. So, 1 million viewers ko dyan. Thank you so much for coming. Suggestion, yan. A site is playing media. Yan. Di ko alam. Gusto ko sana siyang i-rotate. Kaya lang, di ako marunong. Paano? Mag-rotate. So, ganyan lang muna. Mas smile na lang. Lord, ganyan ang nangyayari kapag di marunong sa mga technology. Dati marunong naman ako, ngayon di na, matanda na kasi. I'm 43. Okay. Time check, 10:33 p.m. Nagutom ako, guys, kasi maulan, lamig ang panahon, you know na. Thank you sa 1 million viewers ko dyan. Salamat. Grabe sa babos yung laki. Paano ba ito palitin ng babos? Di ko alam. I don't know how. Okay. So, it's 10:33. So, guys, ano bang magandang laptop na brand? Yung hindi mahal. Yung magagamit ko lang sa bahay, work from home. Yes, tutor kasi ako. So, yun. Hello sa 2 million viewers ko dyan. Thank you so much. 3 million in the house. Thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo. Pasensya na kayo kanina na wala kasi nag-freeze yung laptop ko. Kaya naisipan ko ano ba tong bubbles? Uy, kasamok. Uy, kasamok ba? Bet pa ako natin yung bubbles. Uy, kasamok kayo. Kanan lang. There. Much better. Kasi kung saan nasan nga klase nga kuhan, ha? Okay. 2 million viewers in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for standbying, for your support. Bitaw, naglibog kon saon kay di ko kay balo. Di na jud ko kay baw. Nagsara mo kung laptop, mag live stream, and then if mag live stream po ko, mag laptop ko karon hinay jud kay connection. Grabe ka hinay kay sa una kuan ko mag laptop ko before. And then, if mag-laptop ko sa una, di siya mulag siya, pero di, grabe. Karon kay nagwan og kusog, nihina yung samot akong connection, naglibog ko, wired man ta akong connection, but I don't know what's going on, hinay kaayo siya. mo nawas mo po na nga may na po ako nag-tutor kay kung nag-tutor ko na naning connection patay ko sa mga students magbong ko sa ilahang kuan nabi na STEM work evaluation. So syempre we would like to give the best to our students even if we're just working home based and dili pwede nang sito gana ka na mo yung bitaw ka nga okay ra na we will always want to do quality jud sa tuang mga pagabuhaton even if narata sa balay wala tay supervisor, why boss or sa call centers pa team leaders, importante we have to work with integrity even if no one is watching us, then we should work with integrity, right? Good. So kana okay. Hello sa 2 million viewers na ako diha. May gabi ninyong tanan. It's 10:37 in the evening. So sa inyo si time sa inyo diha. Thank you kaayo sa mga nag BG nagtambay. Salamat. 2 million in the house. Thank you. So sensya na jud kaayo ha. Ay murag mada tigid mada. So unsay gusto niyo guys? Unsay gusto niyo guys? Okay ba sa toy ka chika? So kumusta sa inyong lugar? Wa ba nag-ulan? Sa mua bagulan yun di undang ang uwan. It's 10:30. Yes, 10:30. Hapit na mag-11. Tutor unta ko kay last day of the month. November is December. Last month of the year, and we hope and pray na unta by next year everything will be okay. Everything will be fine na kay hindi lali mga tuwang mga nagian karon nga tuiga with all the things di lang diri sa Pilipinas but around the world as well. So di ganin. So kasi may buong mo sa likod, let me share. Uy, yan. Iro na. So pasensya na mo ha. Share na yun ako. So this is my task. Okay. There. You see it guys? It goes up. So I start my day 5 a.m. to 8. That's my work schedule. And then by 8 a.m. breakfast ko ana and rest kadyot. Balik 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. See? And then 1 to 3 p.m. I take a nap, I rest, and I do a little bit of exercise. Exercise daw, as if per may buhaton. And then after ana, by 4 p.m. to 7, I work again. And then 7 p.m. Hi, Admin Mark, Sunisa, thank you so much. Nag-freeze akong laptop ganina. Saon man, hinay man kitag processor. So, nag-freeze. Hinay po kay ang internet. Kay nagwan og kusog Toledo. So, moto. So, thank you so much. Kinibalik ka diri. Okay, nagchika-chika lang ko sa akong mga nag-BG-BG diri karon kay wala na koy kasturya. Okay. So, maoto mga beshies. Thank you so much akong 3 million viewers. So, okay, balik ta sa itong topic regarding my work schedule as an ESL tutor. So, muna, I start my day. I actually starting next month, ako nang gi-change akong day off instead of weekends. Kaya ang trend karon sa akong duty is I have more students on weekends like Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So, Monday, it's my day off. So, ako nang gipili nga day off. Nakanindot sa ESL tutor kay with my company that I am working with is our schedule is flexible. So, we can manage our own time. We can work when we want to work. We can have our day off. um, we can work as many hours as we want. So our day starts like 5 a.m. until 12 midnight. So morning as sked, once again, I'll show you. Pasensya naman sa kung agi kay bati kay kung agi. Okay? So mo ni siya. Let me share it with you guys. Mo na akong schedule. Dang, dang, dang. Full ko no, oh. As if ma-follow religiously. Hey, good luck. Okay. So actually, mo gid na akong sked 5 a.m. I always start 5 a.m. because akong mga students kay Japanese, and most of them are really up and awake at around like 4 in the morning, and most of them before they go to work, they really take a lesson like one session or two sessions before going to work. So in ana sila ka diligent when it comes to their English studies, kay gusto gyud na sila mo improve, especially those who are working for international companies. So um, before they go to work, usually around like 8 a.m. or 7:30, mag-take sila lessons. And Japan is, I think, 1 hour ahead of us. So like right now it's 10:30. So dito sila it's already 11:30 in the evening. So there. I start around 5 in the morning and I end 8. And then 8 I eat my breakfast and then I rest for a while, and then 9:30 a.m. balik ako nagtrabaho until 1 p.m. Okay, so 1 p.m. ko mag-lunch, then from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I rest, I take a nap, and then exercise for a bit. Sometimes lang, kahit pulan, and then balik ko 4 to 7 in the evening. And then 7 in the evening, I eat my dinner, and then balik na sa 8:30 to 10 p.m. So, ano na may tagas nga gaps because I have to follow up sa akong mga anak. They're doing modular sa ito anak? Modular things ilang klase. So, muna, I always check on them. So, good thing is, ang akong kaning desk where I am right now, which is very much gubot, anahan na ni gamay is kanlahang gamay nga study table. So at least pwede na ako silang masangpit anytime na ma-follow up sa na ako. Okay, so muna siya ko schedule. So sa mga gusto mag ESL tutor, you can always PM me. You can ask anything about it. Nga nag-ESL tutor ko, actually before ko nag-ESL tutor, I work as a call center employee, contact center rather. I have to correct myself because when you say call center, it means that you're doing calls, and then not all call centers, and uban mo good when they say call centers, they think of like, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but muna yung gini ako when I was a trainer before, mo gina akong permiso sa akong mga trainees na when you say call center, it only means calls, but when you say contact centers, it means you're doing email support, chat support, everything. I hope sakto ko. So sa akong case, I work in a call center kay man siguro kaswag email support or chat support. Let me remember, kay 7 years ko sa industry. So I'm not, di man sa kayong call center hopper, kay di man months. There are some companies that I stayed with, like sa Sykes, which was my first call center company, 3 years, some 1 year, some 6 months ra jud kay dili makadalag. I'll be very honest, sa mga companies nga I was doing sales, I'm not really good in sales good, as in I remembered there was a time nga nasakit ko. I had stomach ulcer man siguro kay na stress sa quota. So not really my forte when it comes to sales. So muna nga, that's also one of the reasons why di kay ko mag LS kay okay ba sa ko istorya. So karon I'm just sharing to you sa ko ang my experience para lang jud ko istorya. Okay, so mo to. So siguro my forte is more of technical. Yeah, technical stuff. Kay di ako nag-start sa 3 years ko doing technical support. I was nagusa man ko ha. Yeah, fixing internet connection over the phone, and then I did some sales work for some companies for a little while. Murag akong tagal ra 6 months to be honest yun. Mitagal ko companies nga customer service, like purely customer service yun, like let's say billing or and kanang mag-answer inquiries sa mga customers inana. Although ang iyara pong cons is the volume of calls. When you do customer service, ang calls niya is forever is not enough. Joke. Bitaw mo na siya. And then mas ganahan joke technical. It's for some it could be dragging or boring or it may take long, but I am the kind of person who loves to analyze things, minana. So, and I enjoy it. I enjoy every time ma-fix na ko ang issue sa customer, because it's also an advantage for me kay ma-apply na ko in real life situations. So, inana. So, right now, like let's say naka-problem sa internet, di man sa paghinambok, pero di ko pwede basta-basta mailad usahay og technician kay mo na akong support sa una for 2 different companies. Puro technical support. Dila ko musulti sa nga account, but related sa internet stuff. And then sales, I did sales for some internet companies pod, and what else? Accounting software as well, but it was more of not really direct, basta nana. And then customer service for a credit card company, not really billing but customer service or shop, really customer service. And then yeah, I remember na hybrid agent po di ko. So technical, customer, and billing the same time. Imagine that. But it was okay. Okay, as long as way sales, okay ra jud kay ko. The pinaka last na ako nga experience was sa usa ka call center sa Manila, and I was just there for just a couple of months. It was nice, but the problem is ma-pressure jud ko when it comes to quota. It was for a kanang murag basta hutang account inana. So sa mga nag-work og mga call center, and I think you already have an idea what I am talking about. So it was fun on top, but the problem is I don't know, basta when it comes to sales, I don't know kung anong naga kay ko ana, basta inana nga thing. Okay? So moto siya ang ako ang kuan sa call center in office base. Home base nga nga staff, it was more of outbound. Yeah, more of outbound, and it was more mortgage or lending things sa US. And nindot unta siya kay more of customer service. Dili kami amo close sa deal, na like close, igurad mo mutawag, and then if they're okay with it, i-transfer na mo, and then ana ra. So igor rami mo work lead generators ba, but dili na mo isulat, but more of if mo kay customer transfer mo. I don't know if it's similar to appointment center kana pila ka months. And then I remember I also worked here the eyes of Toledo. It was also sales for an alarm system, and I think because kay I think um, the owner gamay naman gud tugol, so I think the owner nakakita siya na akong potential nga dili ko pang sales but more of I don't know, nakitaan siguro niya nga na ako leadership skill. He promoted me to become a team leader, na team leader ko. And then I was happy because my team was doing good. It was very challenging though because that was the first time nga na team leader ko, and it was not that easy. And then after that, I was promoted to training trainer. So trainer for com skills and product as well. And I loved it because it was more of teaching. So wala pa ko kay bawha nga akong passion na to teaching. But nindot kaayo, nindot ang experience. So ato pa lang daidaan ganahan na di ko magtudlo. Nindot siya, I miss training. And I remembered when I was working sa Sykes before, I remembered I said to myself na I want to become a trainer and I want to study para na ako'y degree para mag-trainer. Yeah, I remember that. So, I guess na-fulfill na ko akong dream na trainer ko for 2 years. And then after that, I was promoted to saan man to overall in charge sa call center. Kay nag-branch out man to ang call center dire into kanang murag gitawag na to mini call centers. So ang amo ang account manager. Hello Mr. Mark TV, thank you sa pagpunta. Pasensya ka na kanina kasi nag-freeze yung laptop ko at nawala ako. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. So ayan, going back, mini call centers. So yung account manager namin is nagpunta na sa Baguio. He was assigned there. So I was the one promoted. So under me, there were trainers and team leaders, and my responsibility became bigger and challenging. And what else? I was also helping na on HR when it comes to decision making sa pag-hire. So it was really a challenging job, but it was really worth it because I was able to spread my wings, and it was a good experience though, and it helped me a lot na na-teacher na ko. So naka-help good siya because I learned how to manage myself and my students as well. Okay, so na-stop to because I have to focus on my studies kay mag third year college na ko atong time so I graduated 2018. So yeah, then I took the board exam, then okay kaayo, thank God. Karon I'm back sa ko pag full-time ESL tutor, and I'm planning na ma-apply sa public puhon if Lord will. Okay? So muna siya. So sometimes ma-miss na ko call center life, but sa ko age right now 43, I don't know if kaya pa ba na ko mag-work on a graveyard shift, and I don't know if kaya pa ba na ko mag-commute pa doon sa office kay when it comes to inana-ana tapulan na jud kay kumurag tungod siguro pila sa ko ka years na nara sa balay na okay na nako, and I love teaching as well. Kung mobalik man siguro sa call center, ganahan siya kung ma-apply as related sa kuan either technical stuff, doing TSR work, or trainer na. Okay, passion good na ako magtudlo. Hello sa 4 million viewers. It's sa may orasa It's 10 minutes to 11. Dire. I don't know sa inyo ha. Okay. Pero for sure pala sa taga-BE. Kung namos Pilipinas. So, lanay ulan. Nalipay na ko ba? Tinako makatudlo kay almost 12 na. So, tomorrow na lang, December 1, start na lang kung 5 a.m. Okay. So, in 20 minutes, in 20 minutes, basak to ba? Or 10? 20? Ay, pasensya na bugation si kung mo na nag-major in English ko. Hello sa 3 million viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for support. So, 1 hour lang ni. So, 20 minutes lang. I'll be ending my live soon. So, and right now, ngano nag-vlog ko. Actually, lugay na kay ko nag-vlog. 1 year na kapin di ay sakto. Mag 2 years na ko inig May next year pohon. The only problem ginako with it comes to sa kong pag YouTube is I'm not consistent because of my other priorities. So, syempre, I'm a wife, a mother, so and I have a job, so akong priorities good are my my family and my job as well. So, kana siya. So, makasuya ang mga na-monetize na, but I'm still, fighting, hoping, I'm staying positive. So, kumuni na dyan ko puhon. Anyways, what's new, guys? Kamu na sa tabi. Ito ako rin sige tabi. Bitaw. Kisa may tarang na ito kasi na-adiri de. Live chat. Yun, bumalik si host. Ayan, 2 million viewers in the house. Makamis ba ya guys? Sa mukha ba ako kay mag-reflect ang nasa kong laptop ba diri sa kong eyeglasses. Makamis ang night 2020 vision. Saon naman. Na naman taan nga age nga kailangan na mag-glasses. Okay, guys. I don't know if tinuod ba. Nga na ako wala man sa email na dapat sa YouTube good regarding changes and everything. So, nabay mga I don't know. May sulti nila good. I'm not quite sure. That's what they told me na there's gonna be a major change with regards to YouTube regarding sa subscribers and watch hours, but my email, so I don't know. So, hapa-hapa lang. Anyways, for now, I'm trying to think about mga i-vlog no contents and everything. So, kasi naday mo patok na video. Mas ganahan ko mga how to. So, nangita ko actually mga ideas sa internet. Okay. Ganahan ko vlog na makatunan ang mga tao from me. It might be short, but at least it's very informative or educational. Okay, so 2 million in the house. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Ganahan ako mag-laptop, kaya mo akong gamiton sa pag-view, but the problem is mag-vlog. Saan man. Okay. So, karon, tomorrow is December 1, first day of December. So, unsay plano ninyo? Sa Toledo, opening salvo na. Ah, opening na sa Pasko sa Toledo. So, na mga activities tomorrow ang government. Christmas tree lighting tomorrow. What else? Parol display sa mga different barangays. And then, sa City Hall, dito na ang Food Avenue. Before, ang Food Avenue kay naa sa may baybay. May pantalan area ba? So, after pila ka years, this is gonna be kanang a big change. So, nana siya sa City Hall. So, wala pa nakari sa Toledo. Ang City Hall kay nasa may Ilihan. And then, inigsud mo, liko ni mo sa may Ilihan, more siya pa-uphill nga part. So, overlooking ang City Hall. Kung nakakita mo sa kong previous vlog na katong nagbayad ko sa Treasury Office para sa kong medical, para sa kong travel pass, mo to. So, ako yung post sa kong Facebook page, sa kong Facebook. So, na ditong Food Avenue, karon. So, dayo kay siya diri sa amuan ako nami sa poblasyon area. So if mo adto ko, kailangan siya mag-tricycle. Unlike before, katong Food Avenue nara sa baybay pantalan area, which is just pila ka minutes mo 3-5 minutes away from my house. So malakaw ra gyud. Karon tuyo uno na, lakaw ka mo, kailangan ka mag-tricycle if mo adto, if kay sakyanan na. So naa dito ang Food Avenue karon sa City Hall. And then nino-tag decoration dito kay ano yung mga lights and everything, Christmas tree na. So, I don't know sa hitabo karon sa Pasko di Toledo, but I like the parol. So, tomorrow, masuroy ko dito, mag-live ko. I don't know, akong tanawon. Let's see, maka-live ako tomorrow dito. I don't know, di ko makapromise if maka-ato ba kong City Hall, but I'll try my very best na makaanha sa Ubos, which is near Days Hotel. Na may Days Hotel dire. Moro na siya isa kada kong hotel sa Toledo. So, which is just a couple of minutes away dire. So, na dito, I'll try nga mag-live para makakita mo sa opening salvo sa Pasko Toledo. Lain-laing mga Christmas tree from different private companies sa Toledo. And then, lain-laing mga parol made of native products from different barangays of Toledo. So, let's see and compare if mas lingaw ba siya compared last year. Okay? So, feeling na ko mingaw this year. So, because of everything na happens sa tuwa karon. So, mo na siya. But I'm still excited though. I'm still positive nga. Dili ko positive ako ha. Positive nga this Christmas will be just, great. Ana. Okay, guys. Puhuan. Ilisan niya ako na ko laptop. If lang tayo mula. Nabi na ko anak ko guys. Naabi na offer na ko VA job, but I'm still thinking about it kay ang offers ako nga VA job is real estate. Kanang manawag ka, and then you ask the owners of the house if they're going to sell their house. And so I'm not quite sure if kaya ba na ako. Okay. I know myself when it comes to sales. I'm not good in it. So, for now, um, ako lang gitarong kong trabaho as ESL tutor. And I'm, to be honest, I'm content and satisfied regarding sa mga feedback sa akong students, and that makes me happy, especially when I see that my students are really improving every time na mag-lesson me, especially akong katumakaraan ako students. I've been a rare job tutor for 9 years. 9 years na akong home-based ESL tutor, and some of my students 9 years ago, 5 years ago na magbalik sa kuha karon, naging improvement, and I am happy, especially when they tell me nga, sensei, kaya mo may tawag nila, sensei, I passed the TOEIC exam, sensei, I made the TOEFL exam. So nindot kayong feeling na murag part kasi lang success, tabi na sa mga high school students po, when they tell you na dako is the grade sa English, kasi di malipay ana, diba? So it means that you were able to do your job as an ESL tutor effectively. You were able to um, impart your knowledge to them na nakasabot yun sila, diba? Bisan pa siguro, I don't know, it depends mo good. I always believe about passion. Like for example, in vlogging, if you're not passionate and you're just doing this for the money, there are some people that I know who are doing that, and sooner or later you will not be vlogging anymore. Why? Because more yung focus. Yes, of course, let's be honest, we need money, but you always need passion. You really need that, because it means that you love what you're doing. Inana. So just like with whatever job that you're doing right now, whether it's in the call center or sa office or sa field, if you're doing home base, if you're a freelancer, if you're a writer, dapat you are passionate about that. Okay? And if you're passionate, you will do anything that nga ma-improve ka. You have to invest in yourself. So how do you invest in yourself? Of course, you study, and then you improve your social network as well. And then there are many things that you can do. Like for example, if you're an ESL tutor, you take like workshops that na makahelp niyo ma-improve as an ESL tutor, diba? If you're working in a call center, you take trainings, right? So ano ba? If you're a vlogger, then invest in a camera, a microphone, a headset, a laptop, and the skills and how to edit and everything. Dito, tinudan na, hindi ko kayo ba mo-edit. So anyway, kapit na guys. Pero lang kami 6 minutes na lang. Log out na po. Matugog sa'yo pa ba ng 11? Basta matugog sa'yo. Kay matakog sa'yo. Kay December 1, tomorrow. Very excited. Unsa kay in store for every one of us sa year 2021. I hope it will not be worse. I hope it's gonna be better. It's gonna be a new hope. Mas brighter and everything. Okay, so I'm very happy because bili ko karon last day of November, and naka live ko unexpectedly kay gauwan gid. Okay, so I'm very happy that na mga ni-support na ko. There are still many people na nag-support na ko. Thank you so much. I am very happy. Salamat kaayo nga wa ko ninyo pasagdahi. Salamat na sa inyong tinud-anay nga suporta suporta is the word. Now, I hope that that I am the first one who will greet you all. Merry Christmas in advance, Happy New Year. And I wish na kitang tanan will be healthy and happy all the time. Okay? So once again, thank you so much kay Ma'am Carm Jimenez. I miss you, Madam. Thank you so much sa pagpunta mo dito. Kay Boss Richard, salamat sa support. To Admin Mark Sinisa of Team Lupad, thank you so much. At kay Mr. Mark TV, thank you so much sa support niyo. Thank you sa pag-BG-BG. Ayan, malapit na. 5 more minutes at mag-i-end na ako. Thank you, thank you. I'm very happy that all of you came here para sa live stream ko. Thank you so much. Ayan. I'm just counting the minutes. Okay? So, itul na ako sa pagsasalita. Magsawa muna kayo tingnan yung face ko. Okay? Yan. FB muna ako. Konti. Taga na nag-scam ka. Wow, 500. Ulan na naman. Christmas Village. Okay. I'll show you guys. Kita mo na. Christmas Village. So, I'll show you. Yan. So, Muna siya ang Christmas. Muna siya ang entrance. Masiguro ni pa doon sa City Hall there. Lalo ba guys? Joyful City. Anong Joyful City? Kaya ang pangalan sa mayor kay si Mayor Joy Perales. So, Joyful City. Then, there you go. Okay, nice, no? See? So nice. So, din gusto mo picture ana sa City Hall. Sa City Hall sa Toledo. Sabay pa stars. Wow. Amazing. Thank you sa 2 million viewers. So, wala siya ang Toledo City Hall karon. I hope makasuroy ko dito guys ug makapag-live. Nice kayo. Opening na tomorrow, so for sure daghan kay nagtao. Wow, napay pa mini Ferris wheel. So, Toledo City Hall na siya. Amazing. Napay mo daw palitsyon. Hindi siya tinanay ng litsyon display. So, muna siya ang mga makita nato karon sa Cebu City Hall. Sa Ilihan. 2 million viewers in the house. Wow. Toledo City Hall. Muna siya mga stalls for sa Food Avenue. So, I think there is siguro butang mga lamisa there. Yeah. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sulo niya ko diya guys. Mag-live niya ko diya puhon. Share. Nang gabi. So, ay ka-ark ko si Mayor. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. There you go. Christmas Village and Food Avenue sa Toledo City Hall sa Barangay Uligan. Okay, there you go. So, first time na siya sa Toledo City Hall. Anyway, so it's 1 hour na kapin guys, and ulan sa tusog. So once again, thank you so much for watching my live stream for today, November 30. Today is a holiday, diba? Yes, it's a holiday, and happy kayo mga nagtrabaho karon kay, I don't know, double pay man siguro. So labi na call center. Login akong muna sa una, di ko mo-absent o holiday, matrabaho gid ko kana nga bonus or benefit ang akong giapas. So anyways, thank you so much. So once again, this is Tony Time Vlogs. Sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe sa akong channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this live stream, comment down below, and hit that bell button para notified mo perme sa ako ang mga new videos. Okay? So, once again, salamat guys sa pagpulaw na ko karong kagabi una. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Sa mga nianhi dire sa ko live karon. Kay Madam Carms Jimenez, Ma'am Carms, I wish you well. I hope you're okay and everything. I miss you, ma'am. Kay Boss Richard, thank you so much na even if hinatag team, but still you're supporting me. Thank you to Mr. Mark TV. Thank you so much. Pumunta ka dito sa live stream ko kay Admin Mark TV ng Team Lupad at mga ka-Team Lupad ko. Thank you so much sa pag-support sa akin. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. Good night guys. God bless you. See you once again. Stay safe ang mas nasa gawas. Good night. See ya. Bye.